Hi, in front of me is REALME Narzo 10 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. So start by opening settings, then you need to scroll down, click on convenience tools and tap on navigation buttons. From here, tap on the switcher next to pull down to enter one-handed mode and follow the instructions. So I have to pull down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. So when I do that right now, I can see that one-handed mode is working properly. If you want to change placement of the screen, all you need to do is tap on this icon over here. And if you want to go back, tap on this icon at the corner. If you want to turn off one-handed mode completely, just click on the switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!